so much to the Toyota Arena and all the people in security working so hard. And to all of you, thank you for partying with us today. And thank you for being with us on our grand homecoming, Thanksgiving, and reunion celebration.
Thank you to all our TFC subscribers.
Thank you.
Kayo po mga kapamilya ang aming happy place.
Yes, masayang-masaya po kaming makasama kayong lahat. Maraming salamat po. At hindi po kami magsasawang gawin ito forever.
No, wait, forever.
Kapamilya, nag-enjoy ba kayong lahat? Yeah!